Good morning guys, first meal of the day. I'm going to have some oatmeal and some egg whites. And I'm not measuring anything right now. When I'm doing my egg whites, I'm just pouring it into the pan. Like that. And see you later. Hey guys, breakfast is done. I put some almond butter in my oatmeal and there's about 3 scoops of oatmeal in there and some egg whites. So I'll see you at the next meal. Alright guys, meal number 2. Beef and rice with some taco spices on. Will be a great meal. See you later. Okay guys, third meal of the day will be gluten-free pizza. I'm gluten so I can't really eat the normal pizza. So yeah, I will warm this up and eat it. Hey guys, I counted the macros on this pizza and it's about 700 calories, 27 protein, 88 carbs and 25 fats. So it's a good meal. Okay, last meal of the day guys. Going to have a can of tuna, some glutamine and some oats before bed. Because I have a real fast metabolism, so I really need some carbohydrates before I go to bed. Like that. So I got 5 grams of glutamine in here, oats and tuna. Alright guys, I'm just gonna finish this and then go to bed. So thank you for watching and have a good day.